The Tudia Merge Grip Case is a standout option for Galaxy S25 Ultra users seeking a balance of protection, style, and functionality. Designed exclusively for the S25 Ultra, this case offers a snug fit that ensures full access to all ports and buttons while providing comprehensive protection. One of the key features of the Merge Grip Case is its double-layer protection, powered by Tudia's Tough Rhino technology. This military-grade dual-layer design has been rigorously tested, with the case passing over 26 drop tests, making it a reliable choice for defending against drops, impacts, and scratches. Whether you're prone to accidental drops or just want peace of mind, this case has you covered. The case also excels in camera and screen protection, thanks to raised lips around the edges and camera module. These raised edges prevent direct contact with surfaces, minimizing the risk of scratches or damage to your phone's most sensitive areas. This is especially important for a premium device like the S25 Ultra. Despite its robust protection, the Merge Grip Case remains slim and lightweight, making it easy to carry without adding unnecessary bulk. The matte texture and special coating not only give the case a sleek, fingerprint-resistant finish, but also provide an anti-slip grip on the sides. This ensures a comfortable and secure hold, reducing the chances of your phone slipping out of your hand. Overall, the Tudia Merge Grip Case is a fantastic choice for Galaxy S25 Ultra users who want a durable, functional, and stylish case. Its combination of military-grade protection, slim design, and excellent grip makes it a top contender in the crowded market of phone cases. If you're looking for a case that offers both security and comfort, the Merge Grip Case is well worth considering.